Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve one of the most common issues, that is Hotspot not working on Android phone. Many users have complained about this problem, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Most probably Hotspot stopped working on Android due to bad signal strength. If you have reached the daily mobile data limit, when you enter the wrong Wi-Fi password or name, or if your phone carrier doesn't support the Hotspot feature. Now, let's move on to know how to fix Hotspot not working on Android issue with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Sometimes just by restarting your device can solve the issue. So, why not try this once? To restart your device, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. After that, try to connect with the app again. It may solve your Hotspot not working on Android phone problem. Solution 2. Enable and disable airplane mode. The purpose of airplane mode is to help you disconnect from all network services when you are on a flight mode. However, you can use this mode to fix many network-related problems. There is no guarantee that using airplane mode will fix Hotspot stopped working issue, but you can give it a try as it will not harm your device. Make sure you have saved your work before you do this, as your phone will be disconnected from the internet as well. Open the notifications panel on your phone. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn the mode on. Tap on the same icon again to disable the mode. Solution 3. Switch off and on mobile Wi-Fi. Even the Wi-Fi network can be another reason for such an unforeseen glitches. There is a possibility that you might forget to switch on your Wi-Fi, or something is stopping the phone from connecting. So, if you only enable Wi-Fi, the issue might get fixed on its own. For this, you have to first, go to Settings, then click on Network and Internet. After that, click on Wi-Fi and enable it if it is disabled. Solution 4. Boot your phone in safe mode. Restarting your device in safe mode can also help you to fix mobile Hotspot not working. This will disable all the apps running in the background and decrease the operating system function. What you have to do to boot your device in a safe mode? All you need to press and hold the power button. Then click on the power off option. Then, leave the power button and press the volume down button. Now continue to hold it unless the phone boots up. And here your phone gets into safe mode that you can see at the bottom of the screen. Solution 5. Factory reset your phone. The last solution to this issue is factory resetting your phone. However, doing this will wipe out all data on your phone. So, make sure to create backup of your phone's data before doing this. In order to do this, open the settings, then go to the system, and click on the backup and reset. At this time, tap on the erase all data option. Finally, click on the delete all data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the unfortunately Google Play services has stopped problem is resolved. Solution 6. Use Android repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to troubleshoot the Hotspot not working Android issue, then there is no better option than using the Android repair tool. It will help you to fix the app crashing issue on the phone, along with fixing many other system errors and issues, such as the phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, black screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix this problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Hotspot not working Android 12 or 11. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.